We are at an important moment of valuing the ownership of information. The feeling of the collective unconscious is that people want to be able to own their data, but the way of using it proposed by the current model does not allow this. The systems are developed by companies only to carry out the most diverse operational registration processes and procedures. People's data are nothing more than instances of these relational banks, just tiny cells, in a continuous flow of infinite development of new versions to serve more and more consumers. Within this paradigm, people's ownership of information will be nothing more than a distant dream. It will never stop being a utopia. And why not, if we think about its effective non-realization, a dystopia? Impressively, this insoluble problem in the current context of achieving a better level of computational intelligence is simple to solve if we focus our efforts on developing people's systems. To achieve this, a communication protocol between the parties is necessary. With management and control systems for moving data between individual graph DBs and specific groups of people, or even collective rooms of thematic groups segmented by areas of knowledge. In any case, the decisive factor in this case is the centralization and control of the data of the people who will have real ownership of their knowledge bases. With advanced graph path filters, we work with the concept of complete interaction of events. Each person has multiple events with records of the full extent of the interaction in graph DBs. Translating this concept, it can be said that it is possible to follow a path of 50 concepts and relate them to a person based on 50,000 concepts. With base balancing, it is also possible to define the concepts of precision and recall to define the self-constructivity of the bases and equate them with high performance in pattern recognition.